Hello guys, welcome back to PackWiseGear. So today what we're looking at, ALPAKA Bravo Sling Max V2. So this is a fantastic sling which kind of meets both world, your daily carry, and also which you can take to your office or conference or wherever you're going with your office pack out. So what we are looking here is an X-Pac edition, which is their premium fabric, which the ALPAKA use on their products. And I recently picked it up and used it a few times for the last couple of weeks, and it has been a great experience. I have also modded it with a couple of accessories, so I'll talk to you guys about. So let's do a deep dive into this by going in our overhead camera. Keep watching PackWiseGear. Hello guys, welcome back to PackWiseGear. So we are looking at this beautiful sling by ALPAKA. This is ALPAKA Bravo Sling Max V2. In the nutshell, this has about 8-liter capacity, and I'm going to put the dimensions above of this pack so you guys can see it. You know what's in. So we're looking at 15.35 inches by 10.23 and 5.5 inches. This is X-Pac material. This is a blend of 3 fabrics, I'll say, because there's a leather patch here. I think this is about 1600 plus D Cordura. They don't share the information what this fabric is all about, but it's more than 1500 D Cordura for sure. Maybe 1680. And then this is X-Pac. The weight of this without the strap system is about 650 grams. According to the spec, it can hold up to 14 inches a laptop. Okay, so so we are looking at X-Pac VX21. Internal lining is bright orange 210D ripstop nylon. This is on every ALPAKA pack. Actually, this is one of my complaints I have with ALPAKA. Please use different colors. Sometimes we love to see a coyote brown internal, right? Anyways, the zippers are YKK lockable, so that you can put a lock in these zippers, and they are with AquaGuard. I really like that. I really appreciate that. Thank you very much for thinking about that. AquaGuard zipper lockable, and has this charging capability. We're going to talk more about this as we go on with this review. What is this about? And also have a key leash inside. We will talk when we go to the front pocket. So without further ado, so that was in the nutshell. So what we're going to do is I'm going to introduce you all into the pocketing of this pack. So let's open up. So this is lockable zip, the first one we have. And this is how the front pocket looks like, very roomy. So this is their magnetic system key ring. So I do have their, so they use this company called, name is not coming in my mind. Let me see. Yeah, Maglockz. So this is built by a company called Maglockz, which is ALPAKA's sister company. And you will, if you, you can actually attach to different packs. So that's kind of sew in here, but you can actually buy this. They call it ALPAKA Hub System, which comes with different extensions and different add-ons, which you can do in other backpack. If you're watching my channel for a long time, I have a lot of accessories from ALPAKA Hub System, and I love these. They are fantastic and a great accessory to have. Now, looking at the front pocket, we have 2 drop-in pockets on this side, single line. We have mesh pockets, not stretchable. And then also we have 2 drop-in pockets. We have gusset. So even you have stuff in here, you have protection on the side, so nothing can fall out. Fantastic pocket. I have done some modding to it. I have attached this beautiful zipper pulls from XT Seller. I'm going to put the link in the description. They are single knot, but I like how this was neon orange kind of flare to it. Really like this zipper pull. Same I have in main pocket as well. So now let's look at the main compartment. Kind of opens up like that. Now this is a pass-through cable coming from this connector. We are going to look into that momentarily. And here at the back we have a laptop compartment, and then a big cavity. As you can see, a big cavity to put your stuff. And then we have true drop-in pockets, up front as well. Okay, so this back compartment is padded and also has this fabric felt in there, which is pretty nice. I like this. I think this is the first time I have seen an Alpaca a product where you have the felt. Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it. Very nice, padded, and can protect your tech. So it can hold up to 12.9 iPad Pro and 14-inch laptop. We are going to test with 13-inch laptop momentarily. All right, so let's look at the back compartment. So this is another felt compartment, which has you have piped felt pockets here, and I'm going to talk about it momentarily. Pen slot. Definitely you could slide in 2 sling pens in there, and another slot can be good for power bank and stuff. Okay, so that was the back pocket. Now there's a secret pocket. So for the both back pocket and secret pocket, I'm using the same zipper pulls, but no flare, neon orange flare. They are more opaque black, so it can blend in with the pack. Let's look at the back pocket. This is their orange ripstop nylon, ripstop, internal lining, no organization, good to keep your passport, secret, wallet, stuff like that in there. Have a handle. It can also be utilized as a luggage pass-through. Now let's talk about, before we do the pack out, let's talk about the strap system. So I just bought this recently, and I am planning to use it for my upcoming trip to Canada. I'm still debating. I have like 3 slings in the list I want to take, but maybe I'll take 2 and put in one in the backpack and take one as I carry. So really nice. So this one is Maglockz, a sister company of Alpaca. You can disconnect these straps right there. Put it back in there. This is a Maglockz similar. So Maglockz Fidlock is the other brand, and Maglock is the brand of Alpaca. So I just want to tell you guys the difference. It's their sister company owned by them. Okay, this is very easy and comfortable, magnetic, and kind of just slides in there. Can also go from the top, bottom, but also you can slide from this direction. Very nice and comfortable. And this is their branding. I don't know if you can see, Maglockz. The strap system is very comfortable. You can do external carry, and these latch points in webbing they have put to put Alpaca hub system if you want, which I just talked about it. The strap is about, look at this, 3.5 inches, the padding on the strap, and this is like a diamond cut foam, and the webbing here is about 1.5 inch, which you can use as an external carry option. There's a D-ring at the bottom of the bag. This can be utilized for the stabilizer strap or external carry option. There's no strapping or external carry option at the bottom of the pack. All right, so guys, so this was like in detail. And now before I go into the pack out, I have one thing to show you guys, which is this option here. So this is your external very tight. There you go. An external power adapter, which has 2 slots to put in your SIM cards, and also this pin to extract your SIM card while traveling. Now, I'm sure Alpaca built this when people were traveling with, and they have to swap the SIM cards. But now, as it's SIM-less era, I don't know if this is being utilized that much. Maybe in Asia, but not in the United States, because we have a SIM-less registration wherever we go. So I don't know how useful this component is anymore. At the bottom has the USB Type-C, and this goes external in the pack, and you can put your power bank on the other side, and that will give you full capability. Anyways, so let's do this. So this is my travel pack out right here, what I usually take for my traveling, and I have 13-inch laptop on the side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start loading these things out. So let's start from the front pocket. And with this Alpaca hub, I'm going to put my AirTag. You guys can see better. I'm going to use these drop pockets with my accessories. They can fit. I think it's going to fit better here. And then my power bank on this side. And in the mesh pocket, I can put my hand sanitizer so I can see it, my chapstick and nose inhaler so I can have quick access to them when needed. There's no pen loop, so I'm going to put pen on the other side. This is a small pen I just recently got from Target, very versatile. And I'm going to close it out. This is very new, guys. Just got it, so that's why. Oh, pen doesn't fit. Okay, I'm going to take it out. Small pen also doesn't fit in the front pocket, but we'll see. We have a lot of pen slots in the other pocket. Okay, so this is a big cavity here, so I'm going to put my medication pouch right in there. And then I'm going to put my eye mask on this side. Maybe I can utilize this drop-in pocket for eye mask and inflatable pillow while I'm sleeping. This is my sleep reaching pocket. And then one thing I'm noticing, guys, like this opening of the slot is very limited. So let me see if I can put my 13-inch MacBook easily in this. Yeah. 13-inch MacBook holds well and kind of goes in place. On the other side, I'm going to put my charging cables here and my adapters. If not, I can utilize the space at the back. Let's open the back compartment. So there's a pen slot here. In this fabric felt, I can put my earbuds. And there's no other fabric felt. I was thinking to secure my gaming console. Let's go here. I'm gonna put my wipes and gaming console. So I'm doing this with you guys so you guys can have an idea how this Sling is going to pan out for you and what stuff it can hold. As you can clearly see, having some issues here and there. But these are my alcohol wipes. I need it on the plane because things are not clean, and to clean stuff out. So now I'm having problems because I have fit this pouch in here, so I would take this out, and now I'm going to put the wipes in to get the maximum capacity of this pocket, but this pocket doesn't actually have a max capacity now, so I'm going to shape it on a different direction and then put the Alpaca pouch in there. And then I'm going to put my microfiber cloth in here as well. Now left with, let's close this one pocket out. I'm left with my charging cables and my chargers. One for laptop and one for the phone. All right. So this is how it's gonna pan out. So you have to use this for travel. This is what my layout is looking. So this is 8-liter Sling, okay? And I got a laptop in there. It's heavy-ish, but I got everything in there. So, all right, guys, so this was a pack out. Now let's talk about pros and cons. Pro is, this is ALPAKA written all over it. Beautiful pack, fantastic materials, premium, gives high quality look, can go great in office setup as well. You can utilize this 8-liter capacity, really help. I like how they utilize felt in this tech pocket and also in the laptop compartment. I think this is a great pack. If you're going in a conference, if you're going in an office or a cafe where you just want to do some work and come back home, but don't need everything, just some bit of different tools. On chest will be very big pack. For back will look okay. Definitely cannot use on the hip because it's too big. So good sling. Now the cons is, again, large sling for the width, and I have noticed that there's a limited opening for the main compartment. Like this is it, right? This is all opening. I wish they can have added some gussets so this can really come out so we can put things in there. Compartments are competing for space. And how I'm saying that is, if we look here, there's, for these two pockets, this pocket and this pocket, this is the space you have. So only cavity you have is this much in this pack. So everybody is competing for the space in this pack. Now, there's no attachment point or even a dedicated water bottle pocket in this pack. Okay, so that's another con. Other than that, this has purpose, this has utility. Like, for example, I go to conference, I don't want to carry my backpack, but I do want to have my laptop or iPad with me, and some things, maybe charging cables or charger, power bank. So if I'm in conference all day long, I have something with me, but I don't want to carry my laptop bag, shoulder bag, or my backpack. This is where I'm going to use this pack for. But you guys decide. Why don't you mention in a comment below that how you're going to use this if you have this, and how you are using this right now. But I think this is a great conference bag, a great trip to the cafe, great for anything you want to do quickly but don't want to carry everything which you daily carry to the office. Well, thank you very much, guys. Keep watching PackWiseGear.